Attention, agent, stand at ease and breathe in this glorious moment of your victory. Look around you at the history you have created with your own two hands and your brilliant mind. 10 weeks of grueling physical and mental training are now behind you. 10 weeks of engineering mastery and tactical growth have led to this very second in time. You have faced the shadows and you have won every single challenge thrown your way, from the depths of the ocean to the heights of the sky. Today, the Secret Agent Academy reaches its final objective, its greatest milestone. Welcome to the Season 1 Grand Finale, Mission Number 10, the Master Agent Briefcase. Today, we are not building a single small gadget because you have moved far beyond basic training. Today, we are building a tactical mobile command center, a fortified fortress for your gear to house your entire arsenal of intelligence tools. If you complete this final build and organize your life like an elite operative, you earn the highest rank possible in our organization, the legendary Master Agent status. Stand by for the final briefing, because the Academy is about to crown its newest and most capable graduate. Let's go into the memory bank for a deep dive briefing of your journey so far. Remember where we started? Mission 1 was the invisible eye, where we mastered the science of reflection using a simple cereal box to see around corners and over walls. Mission 2 taught us the hidden chemistry of ghost writing, where we turned lemon juice and heat into a weapon of secret communication. Mission 3 gave us the security of the cardboard safe, where you learned the mechanical engineering of a rotating dial lock. Mission 4 unlocked the night with light spectrum hacks, turning a simple flashlight into a tactical night vision tool. Mission 5 turned our ears into sonic scouts, using the physics of vibrations to hear through solid wood. Mission 6 and 9 tested our physical agility in the laser maze and the training course, where you mastered the ghost walk and the center of gravity. Mission 7 gave us the 360-degree view with advanced optics, and Mission 8 made us cryptology captains with the power of the Alberti cipher. Every mission was a piece of a larger puzzle, and today, that puzzle is finally complete. You are no longer just a kid with cardboard. You are an engineer of the shadows. Wait, is your mind sharp enough for the final test? Just because it's graduation doesn't mean the challenge is over. It's time for the ultimate spy reflex test, Stage 10. This is the final barrier between you and your master rank. Round 1, the gadget match. 10 gadgets are flashing on the screen right now in a random sequence. Can you name them all in the correct order before the timer hits 0? You must be precise and you must be fast. Round 2, the code crack. Look at this final encrypted message on your screen right now. This is the highest level of encryption we have. If A is 1, B is 2, and C is 3, what is the total numerical value of the word SPY? Calculate the math in your head and do not blink. If you got the answer of 47, you are ready for graduation and your brain is working at peak efficiency. Round 3, the final vigil. A shadow is moving in the vault and a silent alarm is active. Stay perfectly still for 30 full seconds while we calibrate your Master Agent status and sync your biometrics to the Academy mainframe. Do not move a single muscle. Incredible work, Agent. You have officially passed the Academy with flying colors and the rank is within your reach. Before we build, we must gather the final gear list for your command center. Search your headquarters for these specific tactical items. One large, flat cardboard box or a briefcase-style box with a sturdy handle. Pieces of soft foam or extra thick cardboard to create tactical dividers that can withstand the rigors of the field. One roll of heavy-duty, double-sided tape. And most importantly, your entire collection of gadgets from missions 1 through 9. Gather them now and clean them up for their final home. Parents, this is the ultimate organization project to keep the spy gear off the floor and in one tactical place. It teaches the science of material protection and asset management, ensuring that your agent's hard work lasts for years to come. Now, let's begin the master installation. This is a lesson in spatial logic and engineering. Step 1, the tactical layout. Place all your gadgets from the previous weeks into the box and find the perfect arrangement. You must think like an architect, ensuring that the heaviest items are at the bottom and the most fragile items are protected. Step 2. The custom fit. Cut your cardboard strips or foam pieces to create snug nests for your periscope, your code wheel, and your listening post. Everything must be secure so it doesn't rattle when you're running through the field. Step 3. The hidden tray. Create a false bottom using a flat sheet of cardboard to hide your secret files and your invisible ink messages from Mission 2. A master agent always has a hidden compartment that no one can find. Step 4. The master seal. Decorate the outside of the box with your official agent number and your name. You are no longer a trainee, you are a master engineer of the Secret Agent Academy. Look at what you have built and realize that your only limit is your imagination. Mission accomplished, Agent. You have successfully completed the Secret Agent Academy Season 1. You are now a master operative, and your Master Agent badge is yours to keep forever. You have mastered the science of the shadows, the chemistry of the kitchen, and the engineering of the elite. You have proven that with a little cardboard and a lot of focus, you can change the world. But the world of science never stops, and your training has just prepared you for a new frontier. Join us next week as we move from the shadows of the spy world into the glowing light of our brand new series, Kitchen Alchemy, where we turn your kitchen into a laboratory of mystery and magic. Hit subscribe so you never miss the new adventure and the new badges. Academy dismissed for the season. We'll see you in the lab.